Well, I'm really excited now to find out who the winner is. So, Achim, what did the jury decide?
Well, it was very difficult to decide because there are so many interesting projects, and if you research in a sustainable material, you have to focus on so many things on life cycle process. Is the material able to print? Where does it come from? And all these things. And one project focused on all these things even furthermore. So there was one project where you can even imagine today it is possible to use it in paper industry or even in architecture and interior design. So this year the winner is in the category Material and Sustainability from Sweden and Denmark, Protomycokion. Congratulations, David and Anna.
Congratulations.
Oh, that's amazing. Cheers. Thank you so much. I want to thank Demetrius Flodas for the help and the support. And yes, we're very excited.
Congratulations from the jury. Very well done. It is a really interesting project, and I hope for you, you push boundaries, go on research, and good luck in the future.